The Excel Church app is now available to be downloaded on iTunes and on the Google Play Store. After downloading and opening the app, take a minute to sign in so the app can save information like your sermon notes, your daily reading plans, and more. Also, you will have access to view or listen to archived sermons. To view, tap here.
And we speak over those young lives right now, and we declare that the will of God be done.
To listen to sermons, tap here.
Let's go ahead and shout about that.
You can listen to the sermons you add to the playlist or save them to listen later by tapping on the download icon.
Before you take your seats, go ahead and find you 2 or 3 people, love on them.
Or live stream our church services on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. or Sundays at 10 a.m.
Powerful story.
Giving is made easy with the app. By simply tapping Give, you can give online or via text to give. Stay informed of what is happening in Excel by tapping on Events. You can tap Add to add the event to your calendar. And you can tap Share to spread the word on social media about upcoming events. And tap on Resources to send us a prayer request, learn how to connect with us, sign up to volunteer, and much more. All this and much more. Go download the Excel Church app today.